What's up, people? Charles here, and in this video, I just added $30 to my ads because I want to accelerate so I can get to group 9 and to push so I can get to group 12. So I will be adding funds, and as you can see, I just deposited, and right after I put my transaction ID in, maybe like 2 or 3 minutes later, it's in here. So I don't know why people are having so many problems with their deposit. It's because you're rushing. You got to take your time and put your stuff in the right way, like you're supposed to. Cause I never had no problem. I add funds with the Cash App, and I never had no problem. I just have to wait till it's on the blockchain. I go on the blockchain, find the transaction ID, and put it in. And minutes later, my deposit's in my account. No problem. So you just have to take your time when you're doing your deposit, because it's just because people are rushing. That's why they're not getting their deposit. So I'm getting ready to buy some ad packs. I'm gonna buy everything right now, because I put my website in. This is a little Wix site I created. It's 25. Continue, confirm, go back, and we spend the rest. All right. Continue, and we're done. Now, a little under that 80,000, 88,000. I'm almost to 1 million bonus ad points, and for group 9, you need 1.6 million, and I'll be averaging about 22 a day. And then we're gonna push that group 2, because usually I'll just repurchase for for a little while, then let it get close. But I don't think I'm gonna do that right now. I'm gonna push. I want to get to group 12, so I will be pushing. So right now I'm doing $30 a week. That's a little under 100,000. So that'll give me almost 400,000 bonus ad points, and we should be in group 9. Depending on how stuff go, it might be sooner. So, but I'll make sure I do a video before I hit it. So, but that's basically it. This is Operation Get to Group 12, because I want to. Because once I get to group 12, I'll be able to withdraw between 2,800 and 3,000 a month just from this, and then I'm gonna take those funds, and I'm gonna build something else. So, and I'm gonna build income streams after income streams. That's what I'm gonna do. So, but that's basically it for the video. I just wanted to show y'all that I'm really taking my ads up serious, and I'm pushing forward. And that, yeah, as you can see, I deposited 30. It's gone now, and um I have 900,000 bonus ad points now, and I think tomorrow I will be able to buy. I should have nine. I should have over 9 in my cash wallet, and I should be able to buy 11 tomorrow, maybe 12, maybe 12 tomorrow. So that'd be like 36,000 bonus ad points. But if you're new here, like, subscribe to my channel. I'll see you on next video. Peace.